Hey guys, it's Crystal and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying Curlformers for the first time. I have the styling kit for spiral curls, and these are in the long length. This is for long hair up to 14 inches. It comes with 40 long and wide curl formers plus 2 hooks. So it has the pink ones and the orange ones. I heard the orange ones normally go on the right if you want your hair to curl away from your face, and the pink ones go on the other side if you want to go towards your face. Then you put pink on the right, orange on the other. So I'm going to try this for the first time. I heard they work amazingly. So my hair is currently, it still has deep conditioner in it. I've had deep conditioner in my hair all day. I had to travel for work and I drove all the way up here and I really wanted to try these today. So I was like, I'm just gonna leave the deep conditioner in my hair all day. So it is currently in a bun. It is still, like, can you hear it? It's still wet. Wait. Yeah, it's still wet. Obviously not up here, this is all dry, but I'm about to rinse it out, and then I'm going to go ahead and put in these curl formers, so I'll be back.
So the deep conditioner is all rinsed out, so I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections so that I can install my curl formers a little bit neat. So I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner for this. I wanted a lightweight leave-in conditioner. I didn't want my hair to be too weighed down, so I'm going for this one. I'm going to work in pretty small sections. My hair is pretty thin, so I don't have that much hair to work with. So I'm going to put it in small sections. And I didn't have a hair clip or anything. I am at this hotel and I completely forgot to bring all my stuff. So I'm going to use this comb. So for the gel, I'm going to use Camille Rose Naturals Curl Maker. This is a lightweight gel. Again, I don't want this to be too weighed down. I still want my hair to be fluffy and have some body. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this. I'm just going to rub a little bit through there, and then I'm going to use my Denman brush and smooth that through. Then I'm going to take the curl former. This is the hook of it. It comes in 2 pieces. You just snap them together. And then I'm going to put the orange curl former on the right side. So there's this little plastic opening. I'm going to slide that all the way down the hook. And then I'm going to take my hair and twist it at the root so it's easier to go into the hook. Don't pay too much attention to what I'm doing on this orange side because I had like completely screwed it up and my hair kept getting snagged. So this is what you don't do. If my hair wasn't completely put into the hook, so it kept snagging every time I tried to pull it through. So make sure that the hair is completely in there, completely covered, and then it will slide through much easier. Just wait till I get to the pink side and you'll see how easily it works. Once you slide your hair through it, if that curl former makes this weird shape, just stretch it all the way out and it should pop right back into its little spiral curl place. So now that most of my head is done and I became a pro at installing these curl formers, I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. So I'm going to work on these last 2 sections. So I already have the leave-in conditioner in my hair. I'm going to go ahead and put in some of that gel, and then I'm going to take my Denman brush, detangle it a bit and distribute that gel. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on the pink curl former. So I twisted the hair at the root and I pull my hair all the way through, and then I bring that curl former over the hole, and then I'm going to close it. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So rake that through, and then I'm going to install this curl former, making sure my hair is all the way through the hook, nothing sticking out. Completely cover that over that opening, and then it pops into place. So now that I have them all installed, I'm just going to take the hair dryer that was here at the hotel. I didn't know what to expect with this one, nothing crazy. This one didn't have any like medium heat, high heat, or anything. So all it had was a low speed, a high speed. It was still very hot. So I only did it for a couple of minutes just to make sure that I got it dry. So now I'm going to just take my scarf. I'm going to wrap my hair up so that I can sleep on this overnight. So it's the next day, and I'm going to go ahead and take this scarf off my head. These are not as comfortable to sleep in like everyone is saying. They still feel like rollers to me, but you know, it's not the worst thing in the world. It's doable. So I'm going to hit it with the blow dryer one more time because I have somewhere I need to be, and I do not want to go out looking crazy. I do not have time to do anything else to my hair, so I want to make sure that they are completely dry. So I'm going to take out my first curl former, and again, don't pay attention to what I'm doing to the orange side because I'm doing it completely wrong. I was trying to take it out while it was still curled tight like that, and I was like snagging my hair, but that curl came out so amazing. I am so impressed at how good this came out. So after I've snagged my hair enough on the pink side, I figured out how to do it. Straighten that curl former all the way out, and it just slides off so easily. So I'm going to do that until they are all out of my head. So this is what my hair is looking like once I take all the curl formers out before I go ahead and separate these. The definition on this is quite impressive. I'm really excited, and I'm really loving the results that I'm getting so far. So I'm going to go ahead and separate these curls. I'm going to basically grab it and separate it where it naturally wants to separate. And then I'm going to twist it back around my finger the way that it's curled to make sure that it keeps its shape and form. So this is what my hair is looking like once it's all separated. I didn't have any oil to use to separate it, so that might be why it's so frizzy. And also I think because I didn't use very much product in it, that definitely probably is one of the reasons. So I'm going to like pick it out so that I don't have all of these parts in my hair. So I'm just going to pick that out at the root. So now I'm going to style it. I'm going to take the Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go Coiling All Curls Elongating Gel. This is my favorite gel. I'm going to put this on my edges. It's one of the only gels that lays my edges down. So I'm just going to try to style it a bit. I didn't have any bobby pins with me, and none of the stores were open around me, and I didn't really have time. So I'm just going to take a headband that I found in my car. I'm just going to slick my edges down, and then I'm going to take that headband and I'm just going to push it back to try to give me some style. And then I'm just going to rearrange my curls to give me a cute little curly fro. And that's basically it. I really love these. I do want to try them again with a little more product to see if they come out a little more defined. But so far, I am really loving this. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye.